Hey everyone, this is Stephanie from MamaandBabyLove.com, and I just wanted to do a quick video and share with you some tips about how to get over a cough, cold, and how to prevent one now that we're coming up in cold season here with winter. So the first thing I want to teach you is if you've already got a cough, this is a pressure point that you can stimulate to help get over the cough, relieve the cough, reduce the symptoms, and just help it stop in general. So you're going to want to find your collarbone, the little knobby parts up here in your shoulder, and then follow your sternum all the way down to the very tip. And if you're a woman, it's in between your boobs. But it's almost all the way down to the bottom. And you want to find the spot that's tender. So if you're kind of moving your fingers around and rubbing around and you find a spot that is tender and hurts, that's the money spot. That's where you want to be. That's what you want to massage. So once you find that tender spot, then just keep rubbing it. It doesn't matter how, just stimulate it and massage it with a good amount of pressure. And want to do this several times a day whenever you can think of it for several days until the cough is gone. If you have children, this is a great thing to do, for them. It's going to be harder to find the exact spot because you're not going to feel it. But if they're speaking, they might be able to tell you, that you've got on the right spot. So just find that spot, massage it, and you'll notice that your cough gets better. And also, it will be less tender as your cold is being relieved and as it's on the tail end. So if you notice the next day it's less tender, good, it's working, it's doing its thing. The other thing to do to prevent a cold and a cough is to wear a scarf. And it's great to wear a scarf because they're very cute and can really make a nice addition to an outfit. But it also is a great thing to do to keep yourself healthy in the cold season. And so what it's doing is it's covering a pressure point in the back of your neck. C7, cervical vertebrae 7, is the pressure point where in traditional Chinese medicine they say that the wind enters your body and your energy system. And so that wind is what gives you a chill and can be the start of a cold. And so just wearing a scarf is going to protect that area, keep it warm, keep you from getting a chill, and in traditional Chinese medicine it's going to help prevent a cold. They say in China that they have pregnant women wear scarves throughout their entire pregnancy to keep them healthy. So this is a simple thing that you can add and do and for yourself and for kids. And if your kid won't wear a scarf, a turtleneck, same thing, just cover that pressure point up. So I hope you all stay healthy this winter and those tips help you out. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.